Good morning, this is the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, August 31st, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Please stand. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today's announcements. Please post attendance between 8:20 and 8:30. I-Ready reading and math windows are this week. Please see the testing calendar that Ms. Spiegelberg sent you for a specific time and date. Late duty is Ms. Reynolds. Also, today's announcements. 2nd through 5th grade teachers, please plan to meet today during your planning time for ACAP data meetings in Ms. Mom's room. Safety surveys will be placed in your box ready. Please take a moment to complete this survey to assist us with our safety planning. Turn completed forms into Ms. Horton by today. Important dates. August 29th through September 2nd, I-Ready Diagnostic 1. September 2nd, College Shirt Day. September 5th, Labor Day, no school. September 6th, Title I meeting for parents, 9 in the morning. September 9th, Grandparents' Day, lunch and Kona Ice. September 14th, LLE Kids Deadline. September 21st, Fall Makeup Picture Day. October 7th, end of first quarter. October 10th, no school teacher work day. I-Ready Diagnostic. Please make sure you see the calendar to make sure you have your specific time and date. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday.